Hi kids. Hey, today we're going to be making some chicken roll-ups with ham in the middle of it and some string cheese, and it's going to be just awesome. So hey, stick around. And today this is what we're going to be cooking with the captain. Boy, don't them look yummy. Boy, we're going to take these chicken breasts I got here. I got a couple of nice ones here I got from the local butcher. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shave part of this off. About like so. Without cutting my hand. Just like that. And then I'll take this one and I'll do the exact same thing. Now I'll take my tenderizer. And I'm going to pound the shit out of it. You can use a meat. I got one of these too. You can use one of these, but I'm going to use this for now. Then you kind of work them just like that. Kind of flatten them out. Then I'm going to salt and pepper them to taste. A little bit of pep here. Yeah, a little bit more pepper. Garlic powder. Gotta have garlic powder. Yeah. Get me some. Here I got some honey ham. I'm just gonna throw some of that on there. About like that. Get me some more. This stuff's all pre-sliced stuff. Throw that on there like that. Oh yeah, just like that. That looks good. Here I got some string cheese. I just took it and shredded it up. I'll just take this and bust some pieces off, put them on there. And about like that. Yeah. That's enough. Now I gotta roll this baby up. Just like this. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm gonna put me some toothpicks in here to kind of hold it in place. All right, here I got some egg batter, egg wash with dumped a little bit of milk in there, and I'm gonna add some mustard. Gotta have some mustard with this one. About that much. What was that? 1/8 of a cup? Something like that. You just put as much in as you like. Just like so. I'm gonna dip these chicken rolls in my egg wash. Set them in there. Oh, look at that. Just paint them all up. All nice and pretty, all coated. Just like so. And then I'm going to dump them in my trusty shaker bag. I'm using a bag today. Menards, 15. Now I'm going to take some extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. And I'm just going to coat the top of it. Get it really nice and crispy on top. Oh, beautiful. Put it in a 350 degree oven for about, I'm going to put it in there for 45 minutes, and then I'll check it with a meat thermometer and see how it goes. Okay, I just took these out of the oven. And I'll tell you what, look at all that cheese running out of there. Boy, they're going to be so moist. I'll be back in a second. We're going to cut them babies open and show you what they look like. Let's cut one of these open. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh-wee. Doesn't that look good? You bet your mama. Oh boy, these sure look good.